This video contains instructions for running and retrieving completed reports in the Departmental Earnings system. The DE system has two reports. The DE Group Summary Report is a replica of the report that will be published in the Biennial Departmental Earnings Report. The Agency Revenue Detail Report provides actual and forecast receipt amounts by DE Group, account code, and fund appropriation. Users can run reports for any agency they are authorized to access in DE. Begin on the DE homepage. In the left navigation menu, under the heading Reports, are two options. Select Run a Report to choose a report to run, select parameters, and generate the report. Then go to the Retrieve Reports screen to open, print, or save completed reports. Select Run a Report from the Reports menu. The Run a Report screen has four parameter selection panels: Agency, DE Group, Status, and Report. First, select the agency. The Agency drop-down list displays the agency or agencies you're assigned to access in DE. Select one, or if you're authorized to access more than one agency's data in DE, you may select the checkboxes for multiple agencies listed in the Agency drop-down list. If you select one agency, you may also filter the report by DE Group. Select the DE Group radio button to display a drop-down list of the agency's DE groups. When more than one agency is selected, filtering by DE Group is not available, and reports will include all DE groups. Reports can be filtered by DE Group status, whether you've selected one agency or multiple agencies. Select one or more checkboxes: Draft, Ready for EBO, or Complete. Note, MMB will update DE Groups to Complete status after EBO review. The final step is to select one of the two reports you want to run. The DE Group Summary contains the same information and format as the published Biennial Departmental Earnings Report. Agency Revenue Detail summarizes departmental earnings receipts by agency and DE Group, detailing amounts by revenue account code and appropriation for actual, current, and estimated years. After you've selected all four parameters, the Generate Report button in the bottom right corner of the screen is enabled. To run the report, select the Generate Report button. A notification displays indicating the report is in process. You may now select a different report with the same parameters, or select the Reset button and clear all parameter selections. To open or download the reports you have run, select Retrieve Reports from the left navigation menu or breadcrumbs. An additional report parameter will display on the Run a Report screen after the Governor's Biennial Budget Recommendations and Departmental Earnings Report are published. When system security settings allow, the screen will display a checkbox labeled With Governor's Rec in the bottom left-hand corner. Leave the checkbox unselected to run the report with the actual, current, and base biennial budget data only. Select this checkbox to also include Governor's recommendation amounts for each year of the next biennium. To view reports that you have run, select Retrieve Reports from the left navigation menu or in the navigation breadcrumbs. The Retrieve Reports repository displays a scrollable list of all reports the login user has run in the past 30 days. Reports are listed by name, status, and last run date and time. When a report with a large amount of data is not immediately completed, its status will be In Process and display a bar showing the percentage completion. Select the Refresh button in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen to update the progress bar. You can delete reports in Completed or In Process status. Reports will be cleared from the list automatically after 30 days. Select the icon in the Download column to open or save a completed report. When using Chrome as your internet browser, the report will be automatically saved in the Downloads folder of your computer, and an icon of the report will appear in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. If you are using IE11 as your internet browser, a pop-up at the bottom of the screen will ask whether you want to open or save the PDF report. This completes the DE Reports instructional video. For assistance with logging into the State of Minnesota Administrative Portal, contact the Swift Help Desk at swifthelpdesk.mmb@state.mn.us or by phone at 651-201-8100 option 2. For assistance with opening the DE tile or other issues or questions with DE, email MMB Budget Operations at budget.finance.mmb@state.mn.us, subject DE. Be sure to visit the Biennial Budget Instructions website and read the DE instructions. Visit the Budget Planning and Analysis System website for help with the DE system, including a user guide and training videos. Current and past departmental earnings reports are available on the Governor's Budget Recommendations website.